Open the link provided in the description of GitHub of FreshMarks and after opening, go to release section and download the Chrome extension zip file. And wait it to get downloaded. After downloading, go to downloads folder. Extract the downloaded Chrome extension zip file. After extraction is completed, go back to Chrome browser and in the new tab navigate to Chrome extensions. Chrome extension page, enable the developer mode. After that, click on load unpacked and in the select, go to downloads folder and choose the Chrome extension extracted folder. FreshMarks is now installed. You can pin it for quick access. This is the pop-up of FreshMarks. To see the working of FreshMarks It Chrome extension, open the extension, pop-up and fill wikipedia.com in the title field and https://wikipedia.com in the URL field, and then click on add bookmark button. After saving the bookmark, navigate to wikipedia.com. As you can see, it's now ending with .com. After visiting that site, it will redirect to .org and that .org domain will automatically be saved in your bookmark. You don't have to do anything. As you can see, now it is saved with .org. It will work with any domain you have bookmarked.